Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about combining resets inside of your strength training. And what I mean is you can press reset with your strength training in the position of the strength training that you're doing. For example, let's say you're doing Romanian deadlifts or just deadlifts, and we can put ourselves in the position of the deadlift, and we can do head nods right here. Or we could do head rotations right here. And why would we want to do that? So resets supercharge your nervous system. They refresh your nervous system, and they just give your brain better information and help your body perform better. So it's almost like this is how it works. At the very speed of your nervous system, you can do a head nod or a cross crawl or crawling or rocking back and forth. And those movements tell your brain, hey, I am safe, I am ready to move, let's do this. Basically, they turn on your reflexive strength, and I know all that's a leap of faith, but if you do these, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about, and you'll say, oh, that stuff really works. But anyway, you can press reset, and it's just like hitting a reset button on your body, and everything just works better. But you can press reset in the position of the exercises you're doing to supercharge those exercises so that you're stronger, but also safer. And again, you just get into the position, and so by nodding my head up and down, I am turning on my back muscles like a Christmas tree. And you'll just feel your lats come alive as you rotate your head up over your shoulder like you're trying to look for your back pockets. And then you're ready to deadlift. Another thing you can do is in between sets, you could do cross crawls with the bar. So this is a great way to superset your movement with a reset that primes your body and gets it ready to go for your next set. And it makes a better set. Like, you can actually get better and better and better each set that you do. I'm going to show you two more because I really like you guys. So if we're doing deadlifts, especially if you're doing this on a rack, probably won't work on the floor, but with a rack you can do this, right? So we can do cross crawls here. Now, even if you're not doing deadlifts and you just want to do a fantastic reset that turns on your anterior chain and lights up your brain, and just really helps good things happen in your body, that movement right there, you won't be disappointed. One more, because I like you guys. You can also rock back and forth. And again, look, we're teaching our body, getting our body ready to hip hinge. We've got the eyes and head up on the horizon, turning on, supercharging all the muscles of the back, getting them ready to lift, getting them ready to move. And then resets make a great superset in between your training sets. That's just an idea. You can do this with bench press, you can do it with squats, whatever it is you're doing, Olympic snatches. You can press reset inside of your sets and take advantage of the positions you're putting your body into, and really good things will happen. I think you'll be really impressed with how good your strength training feels. Give that a shot. Let me know what you think. I know a lot of it's a leap of faith, but if you do this, you'll know I'm not just blowing smoke. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.